Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and do our mini lesson. And our practice, so make sure you fold your paper into 4. So if I notice on one, it's an equation, so I know both sides are equal, and we're going to be finding and solving for A. First, I'm going to solve for the, I'm going to be modeling first, then solving. Okay, so 9 is my constant, so I'm going to put my 9 at the bottom. Then, if I look at my variables, I have 2 A's. So I'm going to put A. Alright, on the other side, I have negative 3 as my constant. And I have negative 4 A's. So how much is negative 4 split into 2? It's 2, or negative 2. So negative 2A, negative 2A. Okay, so I made a model. Now I'm going to go ahead and solve. I like solving more than modeling. That's a little thing about me. So I have 9 plus 2A equals negative 3 minus 4A. I use variables first, or I like to move my variables first, and I like to move my smallest one. So my smallest one is negative 4. So I'm going to do the inverse, which is add 4, add 4. My 4's cancel. So we have 9 plus 6A equals negative 3. Now I'm going to move my constants on one side. So this is minus 9, minus 9. So we get 6A equals negative 3 minus 9 is a negative 12. Now I'm going to isolate my variable and divide by 6 because the inverse of multiplication is division. So A equals negative 12. Okay, next one, if you notice there is no modeling, so that's good news, I guess. Unless you really like to do it then. Okay, so I'm going to move my variables first, and I like to move the smallest one, so that's minus 4x here, minus 4x here. So I get 6x plus 9 equals negative 9. I'm going to move my constants next. So the inverse of plus 9 is minus 9, minus 9. My 9 zero out. So now I have 6x equals negative 18. I'm going to isolate my variable and divide. X equals negative 3. Next problem. I'm going to move my variables first. I like to start with the smallest, so minus 5x here, minus 5x here. My 5x's cancel out. So I have negative 14 equals 3x plus 4. Now I'm going to move my constants on one side. So minus 4, minus 4. My 4 is 0 out, so I have negative 18 equals 3x. I'm going to isolate my variable. I get x equals negative 6. Okay, next one. We're going to do what first? We're going to move our variables first. We start with the smallest one. So I have negative x and negative 5x. Negative 5 is smaller than negative 1. So I'm going to add 5x here because that's my inverse. Add 5x here. So I get 12 plus 4x equals 20. Now I'm going to put my constants together. Minus 12 here, minus 12 here. So we get 4x equals 8. What can you multiply to 4 to get 8? That is 2. Last one is your exit ticket. I like to do my variables first. So what's smaller? We have negative 10 and 2. Negative 10 is smaller, so I'm going to do positive 10x here, positive 10x here. Zero out my variables, so we have negative 135 equals 117 plus 12x. Alright, now I'm going to move my constants to one side, so I have minus 117 minus 117. That makes 2, 5, 2. We have negative 252 equals 12x. I'm going to isolate my variable. 252 divided by 12 gets me 21. This is a negative 21.